give it a chance. Ooh. You know the dancing queen. You really don't understand the idea of camouflage, do you? Says you, building this big ass fire.
Well, if you feel like freezing, be my guest.
Or better yet, you know, me and you can cuddle, get all warm. What do you think about that?
Jesus, Jim, what's your problem?
If anything, it would be you. Jim, you have a wife. You too. But for some reason, we're here together, alone.
We're out here because we're looking for bigs. Nothing more, nothing less.
Jesus, you are really fucking lost.
And I don't need you finding me.
Do you, like, even realize how many years we've been doing this? 5, 10 years?
7.
Uh-huh. Yeah, 7 years. And what have we found? Really? A print, a little clump of hair. You think I do this because I love the nature? I do this because I love...
Don't you say anything.
Okay, I won't say a thing. Give me the lighter. Lighter, yeah. Well, I'll show you.
What are you, a 3rd grade girl?
Why, you want me to pull your hair?
I wish you wouldn't.
I wish you would.
Damn it, Jim, can't you take the hint?
There, it's official. I'm not a riddle, Mike.
But you ought to be, because you're out here screaming for everyone to hear. Why can't you just keep quiet?